Jet lag still lingers, but I've slept better. The first thing I do is check the sky, and yep, it's gray and heavy. Today might be my first day walking in real rain, so raincoat it is. I quietly packed up and head to the kitchen. And wow, this usual stuff: toast, cereal, cheese, coffee, even yogurt. It's like a feast for pilgrims. Today I plan walk from Vilanova de Cerveira to Valença, the last city in Portugal, and if I have the energy, cross into Spain. The rain is steady now. I stop at the church just before setting out. The space is quiet. I sit and pray for safety, for peace, for people I love far away. I feel tears, but not of sadness, of release. The raincoat is warm, but I get hot fast, off and off again. Sweat straps adjustment is a rhythm now. A jogger passes me, completely unbothered by the weather. No umbrella, no hat. Just the rain in her hair, an easy, steady pace. She smiles at me, a stranger, and says, "Bon dia." It's not just a greeting. It's like the kind of smile that carries kindness without words. A quiet warmth that feels like sunshine breaking through the gray. For a moment, the rain feels softer. Her carefree stride and that gentle connection bring me a strange calm. And I think maybe I can smile in the rain too. I pass rows of citrus trees, so many in every yard. In Korea, we buy these in neat supermarket bags. Here, they grow like weeds. I imagine a Portuguese grandma saying, "Why would you buy oranges? Just pick them whatever you want." These little thoughts keeps me company. Just me, my pack, the rain, and my silly musings. 2 hours later, I searched for a place to rest. Most cafes were closed. Ghost of summer crowds long gone. And then, Café Mavic, the last hope before Valença. I chant, "Please be open," and it is. A warm, buzzing cafe filled with local deep in lunchtime gossip. The bartender is the star, confident, beautiful, wearing a tank top like it's July. She greets me with a wink and smile, and suddenly the rain outside feels far away. I sip espresso and pastel de nata and fall in love with white port wine paired with citrus chocolate. Little moment of heaven for just €3. With rested legs and a recharged heart, I walk again through relentless rain and the fierce wind into Valença. Fortress walls rising, old stones holding memories. I climb, hungry again, and reward myself with the best gambas I ever had. Garlic, fries, drizzled with olive oil, and Vinho de Porto Blanco for dessert. A worthy reward for a rain-soaked morning. I crossed the bridge to Tui as the sun set, rain falling, wind blowing. No border guards, no signs, just the footsteps between two countries. It feels like crossing into a new chapter. Spain welcomes me with higher prices and no hot water on the first floor at the guest house. But I don't mind. I patch up my legs, massage my feet, and give myself a quiet toast. To the woman who walked 20 kilometers in the rain, to the woman who crossed the country with her own strength, to me. Buen Camino.